What's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to make some sauce for my pasta, the stuffed manicotti that I like to eat at Aldi. Check that video out. I normally use ground beef, but today I'm going to be using the Beyond Burger plant-based patties. Two come in the pack, and yeah, let's see how this goes. So this slides off. And these are the patties. Y'all, these patties are still kind of frozen. So I'm going to be putting these in the skillet with a little bit of water and onion. I have had these before. The first time they were alright. I put them in the oven and did them. The second time, I don't know what I did wrong, but I didn't like them. So this time, since it's a sauce situation, I'm thinking that it should be a little bit better. Alright, so I just put everything right in the skillet, y'all. I started off with some vegetable oil, just a little bit. And I put everything in there, the patties, the onions, and some peppers. I'll put some garlic in later. But I'm just going to cover this up and let this start to just kind of break down a little bit. I ain't put no seasoning on none yet. Whew. Alright. It's been a few minutes. And I'm getting ready to start, like, chopping this up. Alright, so I broke it up some more, and it's still on the red side, the red looking side. It's browning up a little bit, but I wanted to get a little color on it, you know what I'm saying, a little brown color. I put a little bit more water on there just because it was going a little too fast for me. This is what I have so far, and before I add anything else to it, like any seasoning or whatever, I'm going to give this a quick taste. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I be a little nervous when I be looking at these labels, because look at all these ingredients in here. What is potassium chloride? It's all types of stuff in here, but I'm just going to try it or whatever. Like I said, I'm just going to try it in a sauce situation. I've tried it before, but I really never just paid attention to these ingredients in here. But yeah, all this. Ooh, child. I don't know if it's good to eat it, or if it's good for you, or if it's worse or what. I don't know, but hey, I'm gonna eat it tonight. Now let me get us a taste and see what it needs. All right, got a little plastic little fork. I'm just trying it. Let's see. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I ain't put no seasoning in it, no salt. It doesn't need any extra sodium, for real. So I'm just gonna go in with some garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning. You don't need that much. This stuff already got some seasoning to, got some flavor to it. Onion powder. Bam. I don't know what just happened. Okay, that's the garlic powder. Now I'm about to stir all of this up together and add a little bit of fresh garlic in here as well. Alright, y'all, I added just a little bit more water. I just put some fresh garlic in there. I'm just going to saute this garlic for just an additional minute. Then I'm going to add the sauce in there. This is the sauce I'm going to be using, y'all. So, yeah, this is the roasted garlic pasta sauce from Aldi. Put the whole thing in there. And then I'm going to rinse this. I'm going to put some water in here and shake it up and put the rest of it in there, because I'm not wasting no sauce. Alright, y'all, this sauce has been cooking for an additional like 15, maybe 20 minutes. And I did add a little bit of sugar in here to balance out the acidity of the sauce. I added like, I'd say like maybe a tablespoon of sugar. All right, literally just to balance it out. So now I'm going to give this another taste. All right, y'all. So I would say that altogether, this took about 45 minutes to get this sauce to this point because I had to cook that patty down because it was a little bit frozen. But if it's not frozen, it might take you like 30 minutes to do this sauce. I'm not going to add anything else to it, y'all. Just a quick recap. That was only 2 of those patties. Some onion, some peppers, some fresh garlic, all that. And then the only seasonings I used was Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. I also used like just a little bit shy of a tablespoon of sugar to balance out that sauce. And I used that garlic sauce from Aldi. Yes, indeed. And then I just cooked it or whatever. Put a little water in it along the way. I did not put any salt in this recipe. No salt. Only the garlic powder, the Italian seasoning, and then the onion powder. That's it. No salt. Just a little sugar to balance. What else? That's it. Just let it cook. This is not bad, y'all. This sauce is not bad at all. Beyond Burger. Let me show y'all the pack again. Beyond Burger. You can plant-based sauce. Meat sauce. Plant-based sauce. I don't know what to call it. Ain't no meat in it. Put it like that. Ain't no meat in it. Ain't no heat in it. Because my kids gonna be eating this sauce. So not trying to do nothing spicy. No crushed red pepper, nothing like that. So that's all the ingredients. Very simple, y'all. I will not be typing all this in the description tonight, as I have all of the children and they about to turn up. Yep. Alright, so this is what we're going to be eating tonight. I'm going to put that sauce on top of this. Then I'm going to put it in the oven, let it bake. Yep. Check my video out on this. This is what's for dinner. The stuffed manicotti. These are really good. And instead of using ground beef, real meat, I'm using the Beyond Burger. And you know what? I ain't mad at it at all because I know that if the sauce is decent, then I already know how this is going to turn out because I've had it so many times and I know it's good. Yep. Alright, so I done put that pasta in that sauce. I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on top of this and put it in the oven for a little while. And that's going to be that on that. I just wanted to give y'all that little visual. So yeah, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see y'all on the next one.